So there's not a lot of room in there, as you can see, and you've probably been trying to get your fingers in there. A lot of you guys got a lot fatter fingers than I do, and you just can't get your fingers in there. I fiddle farted around a little bit, and just about got it on. The washer, little tiny washer, I got a set of very sharp needle nose pliers and got it right on, but I couldn't get the nut on. Anyway, so I just came down below, and there's plenty of more room coming from below to get up in the space in there, and it went right on. We got the starter wire on. The guy was can be difficult if you try to do it, but we got that guy from below. And I've got the starter bracket connected to the starter. That guy was difficult. The threads on the starter were a little bit screwed up, so I just had to get my wrench in there with holding onto it with 2 fingers, and just little by little get it worked up until it was snug, and then I was able to get quite a bit of torque on it. And in order to get more torque, I came in from below as well and was able to push up on the wrench, so I got that nice and tight. So now I got to get the 13 millimeter in the block, and I'm using a wobbly extension, and I can just get the wrench on it there, and we'll get that guy tightened up.